Hey Box developers, I'm Alex, your Box developer advocate. I'm here today with Mike Curry, Director of Software Engineering. Hey Mike, how's it going?
Hey, Alex, great to be with you.
Awesome, thank you for joining me. I wanted to chat today about what you all are doing with the Box AI platform API. But before going into that, I've been asking all my interviewees, what has been the most exciting thing for you now that AI has become mainstream?
I think the most exciting thing for us, and me in specific, is just the endless possibilities that generative AI has opened up in almost every industry and every vertical. So almost every day I'm thinking of, oh man, there's a new great way we can apply AI to this problem or that problem. It's really invigorating.
Yes, for sure. I also love to see that happening with our own customer base.
Yeah, so we are offering a variety of financial products to small to large businesses all across the US. And we are sort of like a matchmaker. So you'll come to us and you'll apply for financing. And we have, sort of our own network of funders that we know the best fit for your specific situation. So our underwriting process is now very focused on AI, and we're really excited to share some of the things that we've been up to with Box.
Awesome. So how does Box fit into that equation with your customer base?
Absolutely, it's now an integral part of that whole equation. And the we started using Box about a year ago, and we've been using the Box AI APIs since about February, and it's been a complete game changer in terms of accelerating the underwriting process, automating a large part of the analysis. So, in terms of what that looks like, when you apply for financial product, you have to upload a number of documents, such as bank statements. And so, what Box has really allowed us to do is automate a lot of that tedious work of looking through a bank statement, pulling out balances and account numbers, and being able to do that automatically in real time has really accelerated the process. It's allowed us to scale up without necessarily having to grow a significant headcount, so we can process more with what we have. And it's been in short, it's been a game changer for us. And I think there's so much potential. And we're always thinking about, okay, what's the next thing that we can automate and unlock by using Box AI?
Awesome. I love to hear everything about like just business efficiency improvements, right? Um, in terms of your tech stack, are y'all using more than just Box? Like are you using Salesforce or other products to help kind of combine like a holistic AI ecosystem?
Yeah, that's a great call out. We are using Salesforce. It's our main business application where, all of our sales reps and other people are basically living out of Salesforce. So the whole sales cycle in terms of from beginning to end lives in Salesforce. We've gone ahead and done a full integration of Box plus Salesforce. So we have everything built in from the content explorer, the uploader, the content picker. All of those elements now are built into the various Salesforce flows. So you'll go in, for example, and drag in those bank statements I was talking about right into Salesforce. You never have to leave Salesforce, and that's really one of the most amazing things about Box is how it's like a developer first, API first platform. So it was super easy to go in there, drag in the components we needed, the Salesforce flow, call some Apex classes to do API calls like renaming files, for example. And of course, leveraging Box AI is one of those other things that we've built a connection to. And all of that was super easy with the managed package that Box has on the Salesforce App Exchange, as well as the robust developer documentation that's available. So it was really amazing to join these two systems together, Salesforce and Box, and it's a completely seamless experience for our internal users of the application.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much for all of those insights, Mike. I really appreciate you joining me.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for checking out this video on the Box AI Platform API. If you'd like to find out more, please check out our Box AI Developer Zone at developer.box.com. You can follow us on X at Box Platform, subscribe to our YouTube channel at Box, and check out our new LinkedIn showcase page at Box-Developers.